Are you tired of looking like everyone else in your marketplace? How about feeling like you're invisible and lost in the crowd at mixers and events? Are you tired of feeling like you have to prove something or be something different to get noticed? Stay tuned. I have some surefire input about how to find your voice in a noisy marketplace. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Bowtie Coach. I record and post inspirational and useful business content here because I believe knowledge is power. But most importantly, mindset matters most. Check back because I upload new content every other week. Hello, my fellow introverts. Today we are diving into a topic that resonates deeply in today's fast-paced and crowded business environment. Finding your unique voice in a noisy marketplace. As entrepreneurs, especially introverts, it's imperative to recognize that your distinct talents, skills, and experiences set you apart from the crowd. Let's explore how to harness these unique characteristics to create an individual brand identity. The journey begins with self-discovery and insight. Slow down and take a moment to reflect on what makes you, you. This is not just about your professional qualifications, but also about your personal experiences, your personal values, and your passions. What do you love most about what you do? It's one of my favorite questions to ask at networking events. What skills have you cultivated that others may overlook or consider irrelevant? What is your why? Why do you do what you do? Do you have a mission statement or driving values? All of you makes a difference. So embrace the combination of your background, your interest, and your personal style. This reflection serves as a foundation for your unique voice. So now let's talk about identifying those unique talents. Ask yourself, what are the skills I excel at that come naturally? It could be problem solving, creativity, or empathic communication. Maybe it's your knack for building relationships or your analytical mindset. Conduct a mini audit of your strengths. Gather feedback from trusted peers or mentors and recognize the patterns that emerge that make you, you. This awareness is essential in carving out your niche in the marketplace. Speaking of recognizing your strengths, I invite you to take advantage of Ask the Introvert session with me. This is a 30-minute call, and it's a fantastic opportunity to discuss anything on your mind, whether it's about harnessing your unique skills, overcoming challenges, or finding effective ways to position yourself in the market. Together, we can explore strategies tailored to your unique journey. Just click on the link below and go to an information page and calendar link. Your business will thank you. Now, once you've identified your unique talents, the next step is crafting a narrative. Your story. How you arrived at this point, the hurdles you've overcome, and your vision for the future. This will all be compelling to your audience. Share this journey with authenticity and passion. Remember, people connect with stories more than statistics, so your unique story and voice will resonate with those who want to hear it. Now that you have your story, it's time to build your brand around it. Your brand is not just about what you do, it's how you do it and the values you embody. You don't have to have your brand ID figured out before you get out there, though. Just get out there and start telling your story. Your brand will come with time, I promise. My brand evolved over time into what it is today, and to be honest, it's still evolving. Use your brand and unique voice to create a consistent message across all communication channels, whether it's social media, presentations, networking events, face-to-face, or phone calls. It is critical to be consistent and to tell the same stories. Brands are built on repetition that creates and leads to recognition. And then finally, remember, authenticity breeds trust. And in a noisy marketplace, trust is invaluable. Embrace continuous growth and adaptation in your business. Markets change, and so may your audience's needs. Stay tuned to your environment while being in tune to your voice. Seek learning opportunities that resonate with your unique talents, and don't be afraid to pivot when you need to. Adapting doesn't mean losing your identity. It reflects your commitment to providing value through your unique perspective. So, finding your unique voice in a noisy marketplace is about embracing who you are, recognizing your distinct talents, and crafting a compelling narrative around your journey. Don't imitate others, but definitely be inspired by them. Just be yourself. By remaining true to yourself and building a brand that reflects your unique skills, you will stand out. attract the right audience, and create meaningful connection. Remember, your unique voice is your greatest asset, so let it be heard. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking for that limitless future. Now, watch this awesome video about the birth of the Bowtie Coach. Bye! Are you tired